Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in a video that I'll post a link in the description below. You should watch it if you want, and try not to laugh or be kind of wondering what the hell was that. Microsoft is trying to tell us that the work has gone towards the start menu in Windows 11 is so fantastic and so incredible, and the process behind it. And probably one of the funniest phrases in there is listening to the users. And obviously, it's something that I'm wondering who actually listened to who, because they're really trying to tell us that the process behind the Windows 11 start menu is fantastic and that they did an amazing job. What I find particularly interesting here is that they actually wanted to release a video to talk about it. And I'm like, really? You took the time to create a video telling us, oh yeah, we did something great here. So, I'll be posting the link to that video, which is this one, in the description below. It is if you don't want to rant at Microsoft, just don't watch it. If you want to wonder on what planet people at Microsoft are working, that is totally different, probably from the planet we live in. Watch the video. And I want to have your comments below of what you think about the video. Please be polite. Please don't use swear words or anything, because I'll remove the comments. There's a way to actually explain, what you'll see in this video in good old words that are not offensive. But obviously, there are some people out there that live in a different world than mine. It's very interesting. So the link to the video is in the description. It's a very short video, and it explains apparently when they started to the behind the scenes of the start menu of Windows 11. Okay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.